Well, it's springtime, the sunshine is out, we're getting in our yards and on our patios. I'm with Mark and Amy Biggie, we're out at Al's Home and Garden. And Amy, we're getting in our gardens, we're on our patio. We want to make them look pretty. What do we need to do this time?
Yeah, it's that time of year, the sun's out, it feels good. Well, it's time for container gardening, and this is a great thing you can do even if you don't have a lot of space. So the first thing you want to do is look for a container. We have lots of pottery, beautiful different options, and you can kind of start with that. Look for a color that matches your area and your space and size as well. So we're starting with this pot right here.
Okay.
The next thing you want to do is have something that has some structure and some height. Gonna get you there.
Yeah.
We're gonna just put that towards the back here. This is great. Mark also has this little guy here, cypress. We're gonna stick that in there. It's an evergreen. It's nice to have just some variety. As you can see, like some grasses, some evergreens, something that will be there year round.
Right.
So that's a great way to start. We're putting that towards the back. Then we have some color to add in for the spring. Right here, Mark has a geranium. I'm gonna stick that in there. The great thing about planting your containers is really you can choose whatever goes with your style, whatever you like, and also your area. We are choosing some plants here for sun conditions. So when we say that, we mean afternoon sun. But you also, if you get afternoon shade, then there are some great options for that as well. So you just want to be aware of your lighting situation wherever you're
And your staff will always, help people pick out depending on, if they're not sure what to put in there. Because there's a lot of choices that you can add.
For sure, yeah. And actually, yep, advice is free, and we have a lot of people here to help. So if anyone has questions, needs help designing a container, we have a lot of people to help with that.
Right.
Yeah.
And then, Mark, while we're sticking these in here, you
Yeah.
guys have an event coming up.
Yeah, we do. We have what we call our DIY Container Days. It's coming up this 15th through the 18th. And what we do is we have people bring in their own containers, or they can select from our containers. We have people to help pick out all the plants that you want. You can purchase those and then go outside, and we have set up these stations where we have free potting soil that people can use to plant their containers. They're all disinfected. It's all cleaned and socially distant. So we were able to do it last year in the pandemic, and so we're able to do it again. We have free fertilizer there, so people can do all their planting. They can get assistance with that if they like, and then leave the mess with us and go home. So
Right.
it's
And
a
then
really fun event.
Something ready to where they can just go and drop it on their patio, and they can explore it for the rest of the summer.
Absolutely.
Or the fall.
Yeah.
And then when they're done with in the fall, you can just swap out your annuals, change it up because you have your evergreen plants already in there, and then change it up and have your year-round interest in there. So
Yeah.
it's always it's a great event. We're outside. It's we have lots of things to choose from. You have a huge selection. Very knowledgeable staff that can help you pick out any planters, any plants to go in there, the color, and bring them out and come out and get them planted up for free.
Yeah.
You just purchase those and away you go. So we're looking for the event. We're looking forward to being out in our garden and on our patio and enjoying it year round. So Rick and Amy, appreciate being out here, and we're looking forward to spring and being on the patio. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.